Okay, so the next thing I'm going to discuss is the state of two circles. I think I should call it state of two circles. Okay, so the first circle is, we have the equation here, and then the second circle is this. And then what you can find from this equation is that you could find it's the center of the circle is actually just the minus half, this 6, and minus half, this 4. Yeah, same apply to the second circle though. So yeah, the first center of the circle is 3 and minus 2, and then the center circle of the okay, yeah, you get what I mean. I got scrambled by my words. So yeah, 1 and minus 2, and then by this equation you could also find the radius of it. So yeah, the radius of it is as simply as a squared plus b squared minus c, which is minus c is actually this. Yeah, actually minus c is minus that. Okay, so if minus c is equals minus 3, that means that c is equals plus 3, and yeah, we'll all be happy right there. And then you got the square root of 16 here, 4, and then you gotta count for the next radius of the circle. I mean, did I say radian? I mean radius. Okay, square root of 19, and then next you have to find the length of the circle 1 to circle 2. I mean the distance of them, basically. So yeah, it basically works out like this. So if this minus 2, 1 and minus 2, and this is 3 and minus 2, and then you gotta find the length of it. So to find the length of it is actually just, you could see it through the Pythagorean theorem, Pythagorean theorem, times 2, and then yeah, and then actually just do this and do this, and then yeah, you'll find the length of it. you don't if you fail basic math, I guess. So yeah, then you got the square root of 4. I'm sorry if that offends you. I mean, yeah, you just okay. If you're really confused and I feel bad for what I say, and I'm too lazy to restart the video and draw and coordinate, and then find the length of the 2 points here, and then you realize that it's actually Pythagorean theorem. Sorry if that's offensive, by the way. Okay, so yeah, so we could find the correlation between the length of the circle and the combination of those radius. And actually it's basic math to know this. And yeah, if the length of the circle is shorter than the total of the radius, that means the circle is like this, and if you draw it in perfectly detail, is crossing in 2 points. And if the length of the between two circle is greater than the radius of the two circle, that means that the circle is really far away and it not contact physically, like me and my ex. And then I shouldn't say contact physically, I don't even contact her online or something. Okay, so if the length of the circle is equals as the plus, that means that it beautifully cross section. I mean, like, yeah, there's a line that's cross sections between them perfectly, I guess. Yep. So yeah, that's the state of this two circle. I hope you learned something from it, and yeah, I'll see you guys pretty fucking soon.